Signal meter. Now, signal meter is an excellent way that you can track or that you can zero in on and find a Wi-Fi signal. If you're hunting for a Wi-Fi signal, that's exactly what you need right here. So I am going to select, so that's me right there. So right now I am at the far end of my cozy little house. And as I go closer to the unit, it should go up. And the closer you are, the more in the green you'll be. Honestly, I'm pretty well standing right over it right now. Anyways, now I'm going to go into the basement. And you can see it's coming down already. So now I'm in the basement at the very far back. I'm pretty sure I can request that this thing checks more often, but it looks like it's really slow on checkups. But anyways, another awesome thing you can do with this is, let's say you have a Wi-Fi helicopter, one of those drones. You can use this to locate it if it goes down in tall grass and you can't see it. But another really awesome part is this. Hit the sound button and it'll start beeping the closer you get to it. Oh, I must have my volume down. Here we go. As we get closer to it, the beeps increase. I'm right below it right now. So yeah, I was right below it right then at the end. Let's see if I can make this thing search more. Scan automatically, of course. Channels to scan. I was pretty sure there was a way to make it scan more often, but I'm not seeing anything right now. Tools. Oh. I guess you can't. But anyways, yeah, that's it from the Wi-Fi Analyzer. A fiercely practical tool that I definitely recommend that everybody checks out. If you have an Android and you're in IT, this is the app for you, buddy. It's really awesome. It's just the kind of thing that I guess it can be used for evil, so Apple doesn't want you to have it necessarily. But awesome app. Check it out. Only on Android. Anyways, that's it for me, Nev from Nev's Tech Bits. Like and subscribe if you like this kind of stuff. I definitely appreciate it. And yeah, catch you guys later.